welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Now, up first this evening, there was high drama in the upscale community of Millsboro in Upper St. Andrew today.
Police swooped down on the home of the accused in the Stocks and Securities Limited SSL multi-million-dollar fraud involving Jean Ann Panton today.
Now, our TV News editor, Janella Precious, was there and filed this report.
Friday, January 20, 12:20 p.m. Under the guidance of investigators from the Financial Investigative Division and the Fraud Squad, the police were led here at an apartment complex called the Linneman in Millsboro, Upper St. Andrew. We checked a real estate website which showed that the complex boasts amenities including swimming pool, gym, gazebo, and 24-hour security. 3-bedroom apartments were being sold for more than 100 million Jamaican dollars. As the police went in, so did we. We observed curious neighbors looking from their windows and patios. The closer we got to the building where the accused lived, we were ordered to leave. In addition to the investigators, her attorney Tamika Henry was also present. Angry residents did not hold back their disgust at the sight of the media who'd been on stakeout some hours before the police arrived.
It doesn't look good, men, and not take it easy with us, man. We're decent people, and not absent, and not put them the children somehow. It don't look good. It don't look good, man. It don't look good, man. We don't need to be here. The police need to get away from here.
The police emerged from the gated complex sometime after 3. Head of the JCF's communications unit, SSP Stephanie Lindsay, told the media that several documents and electronic devices were recovered from the apartment.
They will be analyzing those documentation to see if it provides any support to the ongoing investigation. They have also taken into their custody some cell phones, which will be analyzed.
She explained that the accused, Jean Ann Panton, was present during the search. Now, this viral video shows her arriving in a walker. She's then placed in a wheelchair.
What can you tell us about the health of the accused in this matter?
Well, you know that is not within my scope because I don't know medical term. What I can tell is that she was in a wheelchair during the search.
Her health aside, we sought answers on whether charges will be laid and how soon.
So that will be a determination for the investigators, the FID and the fraud squad, and that will also be determined by the evidence that they uncover during this search and other parts of the investigation, because it's a large investigation, so this is just one part.
But a release from the FID said Panton will be taken in for questioning with a view to proffer charges. In addition to this location in Millsboro, the police also searched premises in Havendale, St. Andrew. Janella Precious, TVJ News.